Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can send a photo to WhatsApp. Please like. Watch this video till the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. For this we need to go our device. It can be like iPhone, Android computer, tablet, and WhatsApp. And then we're going to open up the chat room. And here we can write any message, send a voice message, send a sticker. To send a photo or video, we click here in the left corner plus. Here we select camera, location, contact document, or photo. Then we go to our gallery. Here we choose any photo we want to send. Let's say I choose this one and click here Share Send. This photo is now sent to WhatsApp to another person. We can also press plus again. Add photo and choose either a video or a photo, whatever it may be. And also take it just like that and send it. Please subscribe to the channel. Like it if you liked this video and if it helped you. Thank you all for watching, who watched it to the end. Goodbye.